Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to do a product review on this Oxiclean Max Force Laundry Stain Remover. This is my son's t-shirt. As you can see, this is pen stain, and then this is I think a lipsticks or food. I don't remember exactly, but this I washed it 3-4 times and stain is not going away. So I'm going to use this on his t-shirt and see if that works. And then here I have this dish drying mat that I have some stain here. This is nothing but a food stain. When my husband used to do a amla juice, that's like a Indian gooseberry drink, so that turns black if it stays for long. So that's what it is. So now I'm going to try this gel stick on this and see if that works. So now I want to give this two things a try. So first I'm going to apply it on this t-shirt and see. So now before I apply it, I would like to quickly share. It says in the back, when I was reading the direction, it says you have to keep it from anywhere from 5 minutes to up to 7 days. So if it's really tough stain, then you can leave it up to 7 days, but minimum requirement is 5 minutes. I'm sorry, minimum requirement is 5 minutes. So once what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply it and let it sit for like a 10 minutes, and then I will wash it with the detergent, and then we'll see. That's what it says. We have to wash it with the detergent powder with warm water. So once you open this is how it looks. So it has like a silicone gel kind of buttons, and there is a hole in the center, which is, see, all the gels coming, the stain remover product comes out. So here I go. If you need more, just press it and it will come out. And just rub it, massage it. Get more product here. Okay. Alright, as you can see, it's all applied it. So let it sit for 5 minutes. I'm gonna put it on the side, and I'm gonna work on this one. And let's see if that works. This is really bad. I tried to wash it with the water first, but it didn't work. So once you have put the product on, just massage it. And this is wet, so that's why it's getting foamy over here. That's the big spot here. So okay. So wherever I see stain, I will okay. And I'm sure this stain doesn't go by itself by washing it. It's not gonna go away. So I had to use some kind of stain remover. So this side is clean, but this side has all stain everywhere. Okay, so I think it's good enough. I applied it most of the place where the stain is. All right, so I just applied it everywhere where the stain is, almost the half of this mat. Now I'm just going to let it sit for 10 minutes, and then I'll show you when I come back. Okay, so now it's been 10 minutes and you can see it's fading. The color is fading a bit. Or maybe that's what I see, but let's see. It's been 10 minutes and I'll see if the ink stain or any stain goes away. So I'm gonna throw this into my washer. Right, I'll be back once I'm done with washing and drying and show you if the stain didn't go or not. Right, here is my dish drying mat after treating with the stain remover. So I just wanted to show you there are still spots, you can see it, but they're much lighter. There one there, you can see it. So this is the other side, but they are much lighter, and it actually looks much lighter in the real than camera, because when I see in the camera I can clearly see this, but in the real it's not that bad. And then let's flip it over, and then here we had some spots, so let's look for it. Oh, here it is, one. So this side is, I don't see much spots, and this is the side it was worse. I still see some there, but all over is not bad at all. Just couple spots here and there. I guess I had to kept it for a longer time. Here it is. So I just wanted to share, guys, and I will also show a t-shirt, my son's t-shirt. This side I used a lot, so that's why it's more darker than this side, obviously. So you can see this is much lighter than this because of this side is more used. But the spot was here too, or more, but I don't see it. So let me show you the t-shirt and see if the ink stain has gone or not. But this is okay. I guess I have to do it 2 to 3 times to completely get rid of these stains. And this is my son's t-shirt, and you can still see this spot. It got much lighter, but I still see it, and the ink stain is gone. I don't see any ink stain. There was a couple more stains over here, they're gone. So it works for ink stain, I guess, very well, but this stain is still there. And the spots, this stain, particularly this stain, this and the other stains that I had on dish drying mat, they were really old, so I guess that's why it's not going away in one wash. I don't know the reason, but I will definitely try washing them again and applying this solution again. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. If you did, I will always share product review with you guys so you can have your life easy, and before you purchasing, you know what you are putting money in. Thank you for watching.